So I've noticed something that most of us have difficulty locating our recorded videos, especially those using the Screenrec app to record. So the thing is, Screenrec, unlike other apps, they don't pre-save your videos to your device. You have to do that manually. And I find this after several hours of looking for videos that I've recorded using the app, I've even lost hope. I was at the verge of creating a new video using another software before I find out how it works. So let me show you how to get your videos using this Screenrec app. So once you have recorded a video, you tap on this, you see us view all screen captures, you tap on it. It will take you to their database, their site, their app where they have all the videos you have recorded, minus the one you have deleted. As you can see, this one is ongoing. This one I'm currently on. So let's say I want to save this. What I'll do is I'll tap on it, and then you see this save to device. So this is where you can save it to your laptop. So once you tap on save to device, it will bring out an option. So before you do this, you can just create a folder, name it Screenrec, and so that once from here you can just select any place you want to, any folder you want to put it in. Let's say you have created a folder, I'm working with captures, and then I can tap on save. I can rename it to whatever I want, and that is it. So do let me know if you find this video helpful. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.